Well, happy Tuesday, East Texas. We are seeing some changes underway this morning across the area. Temperatures are about 20 degrees warmer than where they were 24 hours ago. Yeah, there's something brewing when you see that happening. That means the south wind is picking up. It's pumping in the warmth. It's pumping in the humidity, but also it's definitely pumping in more clouds. And eventually, this will set the stage for our next weather maker, which is back here in the Texas Panhandle. This system will pull out into the plain states as we go throughout the afternoon, dragging a cold front our way, and it makes its way into the area late this afternoon into the evening hours, bringing us the potential of showers and even strong severe thunderstorms. So here's what the latest from the Storm Prediction Center is for our Tuesday evening outline. Most of East Texas under that risk of severe weather. Now, the north and central sections have a slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5 on the scale for the potential of seeing isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms. The area in the green here, that's a level 1 out of 5, a marginal risk for an isolated storm or two that could approach severe limits. Either way you slice it, there's a threat of severe weather as we see a squall line developing late tonight. So I want to time everything out for you so you know when to expect the storms in your neighborhood as we go throughout your Tuesday. Again, for the first half of the day, we're talking mainly clouds. I think if you have any plans through the midday hour, through your lunch hour, we're going to be A-OK. Maybe a renegade shower or two, but mainly dry. By 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, though, we'll start to see a couple of isolated showers and storms popping up across the area as they continue to stream ahead of the main activity, which will arrive later on this evening and tonight. Here's that squall line forming here around 10 o'clock or so, give or take an hour or two on this here across the far northwest, and this will slowly work its way across towards from portions of Sulphur Springs down towards the Van Zandt County area, down towards the I-20 corridor from Gilmer down towards, let's say, Tyler, over towards the Anderson County area around 2 o'clock in the morning or so. Around 5 a.m. or so, this will make its way across deep East Texas from Nacogdoches to Lufkin, and then this should be kind of moving out of the area by tomorrow morning, and then we should be seeing clearing skies, cooler temperatures only in the mid-60s for highs with plenty of sunshine returning. So the threat tracker showing us our primary concern is going to be the damaging winds, 60 miles per hour or higher, that could take down some power lines and also snap some tree limbs. So we want you to be aware of that. Make sure you have a system in place to get warnings and alerts as we go throughout the late evening and overnight hours. We're going to watch out for the potential of some large hail, and we can't rule out an isolated tornado or two out of the system, as it's a fairly potent system for this time of the year. So stay tuned. Of course, we'll keep you updated as far as rainfall totals. Around an inch or so on average. Some places could see isolated higher totals, but I think an inch is going to be a good average. Your first alert 7-day forecast here. Again, it's a first alert weather day as we go throughout your Tuesday, especially for Tuesday evening into Tuesday night. That's when I expect the run of the storms. Clearing early Wednesday, and right now, Thanksgiving Day, looking fairly nice.